Most traders know only one type of support and resistance, but professional traders use multiple forms of support and resistance to identify high probability trade entries. In this video, you will learn three powerful support and resistance strategies that can help you improve your market analysis and find better trade opportunities. If you are ready, let's begin.
Number one, horizontal support and resistance. Whenever the market is stuck in a range whereby it is making equal low and equal high, which means both buyers and sellers are at equilibrium. You can see the market touched this level for the first time, it touched it for the second time, making this level a key level support. After some time, it got to this key level resistance again, and it is showing some weak rejection here, which means the seller can also push the price down up to this point. You can see once again the price got rejected at this key level resistance. Before I either place a buy or sell trade, I wait for the market to form both a double top and a double bottom as confirmation. This signifies that the horizontal support and resistance is going to hold. Then I will plan my next entry immediately I have the third touch at the key level. Let's play the price forward to see what happens next. After this bullish engulfing candlestick formation, the entry will be here. The stop loss will be below here because the market can still pull back a little bit before moving in the expected direction. Then the profit target is going to be at this key level resistance. Just before we continue, after you are done watching this video, if you wanted to learn how I trade support and resistance using confirmation entry, you can watch this video that is showing up on the screen right now. Better still, I will link it up in the description below so that you will learn how I use multi-time frame analysis in order to trade support and resistance for high probability setup. So let's see what happens next. You can see price has finally hit our take profit. Number two, trend line support and resistance. We are going to be using the chart of Great Britain pounds versus Australian dollar for an example. As you can see, the market is breaking structure to the upside. The market pulled back to this previous resistance which now becomes support. But instead of the market to break above the key level in order to make a new higher high so that it will continue making a higher high, higher low, it got rejected. This is the first rejection, while this is the second rejection. You need to draw your trend line by connecting the two swing high. We have the first swing and the second swing. If you wanted to learn my full trend line trading strategy, I have created a video on how I trade a trend line, so I will link it up in the description below. As it is now, I'm waiting for this new swing up to touch the trend line for the third time, but I don't trade it blindly. I wait for other technical confluences. I combine it with previous support become resistance as other confluences that I look out for. I'm going to play the price forward to see what happens next. As you can see, it has touched it for the third time. Before I trade any trend line, I wait for it to be in confluence with the previous horizontal become resistance level, which also aligns with the third touch of the trend line. Also, I will draw my Fibonacci retracement level. You can see the market has retraced to 61.8% Fibonacci retracement level, which means currently the price is at premium zone. For more entry confirmation, I needed to see some bearish signal as well, whereby I'm going to see some red candles touching the key levels as well. So my entry will be here. My stop loss is going to be above this weak rejection here. Then I'm going to target the next key level as my take profit. Let's see if the trade moves in our direction or not. As you know, trading is all about probability. Nothing works 100% of the time. There will be winners and there will be losers. But what gives you an edge in the market is if you are able to stay consistent, you stick to your rule without breaking it no matter what. Let's see what happens next. As you can see, take profit hit. So that is how I trade trendline support and resistance. Number 3, Fibonacci support and resistance. Just like we've talked about horizontal support and resistance and trendline support and resistance, do you know that you can also use the Fibonacci retracement level to determine where the market is going to reverse or where it's going to continue moving in its previous direction? As always, I don't trade it in isolation. I combine it with other price action factors. Whenever I wanted to trade Fibonacci level as support and resistance, I make sure the market is breaking structure to the upside in the case of a bullish trend, and it should be breaking structure to the downside in the case of a bearish trend. Whenever the market is breaking structure to the upside, I already knew there would be a retracement because the market doesn't move in one direction. Instead, it moves in a wave. Currently, the market is retracing in order to gather more momentum before it continues moving up in the previous direction. The Fibonacci retracement level will help us to determine the possible level where the market is likely to reverse and started pushing in the up direction. Whenever I see something like this, then I draw my Fibonacci retracement level in order to determine where the price will reverse. I love using 61.8% Fibonacci level and 78.6% Fibonacci level. I will also draw the resistance level using a rectangle tool. So let's see if this level is going to hold. You can see the price has got rejected. The entry is going to be here. The profit target is going to be at this key level resistance here. Let's see if our target profit is going to be hit or not. As you can see, profit target hit. This is how I love trading Fibonacci level as support and resistance.
If you have gained a lot of value in this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more Forex educational trading videos like this. Also, turn on the post notification bell so that each time I upload new videos, you will always be notified. Don't keep this video to yourself alone. Share it with someone you know might need this video and help them to become a profitable trader. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.